Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire progress not saving so your levels and achievements stay safe. First, open the app and then go to settings in the app. Then connect your account to Facebook or Google. Link your progresses to Facebook or Google to save your game online. Then to link your phone to Facebook, I've made a whole different video so you can check that video out as well. Then make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Offline play may not save your progress. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Disney Solitaire app, swipe it away to close it completely, wait for a few while and open it again to refresh the game data. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Disney Solitaire and install the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. Updates often fix saving issues. If the progress is still not saving, uninstall and reinstall the Disney Solitaire to connect to your account after reinstalling. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire progress not saving. Subscribe for more quick fixes.